Hello friends, in this video we will see about open hashing. Subject is data structures and algorithms. What is hashing? It is a searching technique, and the hashing is a technique used to convert a range of key values into the range of indexes of an array. The common paradigm is to store and retrieve data for processing. Hash function is used to map a given value with a particular key for a faster access of element. So for the hashing, there are the hash functions, that is h of k equal to k mod m, where is k is the key, m is the total number of column in a hash table. So how to use hash function? Suppose the keys are 6 and 26 and the m equal to 10. So m is the size of the hash table. So the hash table is starting from 0 to 9th location, and the hash function, that is h of k equal to k mod m. So first key is 6. So 6 mod 10 equal to 6. So the 6 is the location where the sixth key is located. Then 26 mod 10 equal to 6. So here in a hash table, in a sixth location, the element is already stored. So here the collision occurs. So how to resolve this collision? So there are the methods to resolve the collision, that is open hashing and closed hashing. So there are the two types of the open hashing, that is chaining without replacement and in chaining and with replacement. And the closed hashing, there are the three types: linear probing, quadratic probing and double hashing. So in this video we will see the chaining. So the chaining is also called as the separate chaining. This is the example A, that is key equal to 3, 2, 9, 6, 11, 13, 7, 12. So these are the keys, and the hash function is 2k plus 3. So we have to put the values of k in a hash function, and the size of the hash table m equal to 10. So first key is 3. So the 3 is put into the hash function, that is 2 into 3 plus 3 mod 10. So it will gives the ninth location. For the 3 keys is located in a ninth location. The next one is 2. So the 2 into 2 plus 3 mod 10 equal to 7. So for the 7th location, 2 is stored. Then 9. 2 into 9 plus 3 mod 10 equal to 1. So the first location, 9th key is located. After that 6. 2 into 6 plus 3 mod 10 equal to 5. So it will give the 5th location. So the 6th is stored into the 5th location. The next one is 11. 2 into 11 plus 3 mod 10 equal to 5. But in a hash table, on 5th location, the element is already stored. So the 11 is stored after the 6th in a chaining position. So in a diagram, the 6 is chained to the 11. So this is the chaining method. So there are the types: chaining with replacement and without replacement. So here the chaining without replacement, the example is the keys are the 131, 3, 4, 21, 61, 6, 71, 8, 9. So here we apply the mod m. So k mod m, that is m equal to 10. So the first key is the 131. So 131 mod 10 equal to 1. So the first location, the 131 is stored. Then 3 mod 10 equal to 3. So the third location, 3 is stored. Then 4 mod 10 equal to 4. So fourth is stored in the index 4. Then 21 mod 10 equal to 1. So here the 1 is collision is occur. So the first position, there are the already 131 is stored. So here in a chaining without replacement, we have to find out the next free location. So here the next free location is the second position. For the second position, 21 is stored, and the chaining is given to the first position, that is 2 in a 131. The next one is 61 mod 10 equal to 1. So here also the collision is occur. So we have to put the next free location, that is 61. So the 61 is stored into the fifth location. So whenever the collision is occur, the element are stored in the next free location and the chaining is given to the actual position. So this is the chaining without replacement. Then next one is chaining with replacement. Here the difference is, if the collision is occur, then we have to put this element in the original position. That is, in this example here the 131 mod 10 equal to 1. So the first location 131 is stored. Then 21 also the collision is occur. So the 21 is next position. Then 31 also the collision occur. Then the 31 is the located in the next free location. Then next 5 mod 10 equal to 5. So the fifth location 5 is stored. Then 2 mod 10 equal to 2. So here it gives the tooth location where the 2 is stored, but the second position the 21 is already stored and the 21 has the actual position is 1. So the 21 is stored in the next free location and the 2 is stored in the actual position is at 2. So whenever the collision occur, then update the table. In this example, the data 21 will be stored at the 6th index because it's empty. So this is the chaining with replacement. Thank you.